Hello all, I'm Guna Madhivanan from Officers IAS Academy. Friends, we are coming up with an exclusive live quiz program based on current affairs targeting 2024 prelims on a weekly basis. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in our Officers Path channel, we will be coming up with this live quiz program. So how to participate? So for which you have to install an mobile application. So go to either App Store or the Google Play Store to download this application named Kahoot application. Download and install it. Alright. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in the live video, I will be giving you a 7-digit PIN. So you have to enter that 7-digit PIN in your installed application. In the Kahoot application, you have to enter that 7-digit PIN. Or we will give you a QR code. If you are not interested in installing the application, you can scan the QR code in the web browser. You can open the web page. In that you can enter this 7-digit PIN number and you can participate in this quiz program. So once you enter the 7-digit number, the application will ask you to give a username. So you have to give your username. Followed by your username, please give your last 4 digits of your mobile phone number. For example, my username is Guna8990, the last 4 digits of my phone number. So like that you can create your own username. That's all. You are ready to participate in the quiz. So in the live video, I will be showing you the question. The question will be followed by 4 options as usual, A, B, C, D. The 4 options will have a color code, right? So option A, red color, option B, blue color, option C, green color, option D, yellow color. So the 4 options will have 4 different color codes. So in your mobile phone, you have installed the Kahoot application, right? So the Kahoot application in your phone, in your device, it will show you 4 colored box, only 4. Hello all, I'm Guna Madhivanan from Officers IAS Academy. Friends, we are coming up with an exclusive live quiz program based on current affairs targeting 2024 prelims on a weekly basis. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in our Officers Path channel, we will be coming up with this live quiz program. So how to participate? So for which you have to install an mobile application. So go to either App Store or the Google Play Store to download this application named Kahoot application. Download and install it. Alright. So every Saturday at 6 p.m. in the live video, I will be giving you a 7-digit PIN. So you have to enter that 7-digit PIN in your installed application. In the Kahoot application, you have to enter that 7-digit PIN. Or we will give you a QR code. If you are not interested in installing the application, you can scan the QR code in the web browser. You can open the web page. In that you can enter this 7-digit PIN number and you can participate in this quiz program. So once you enter the 7-digit number, the application will ask you to give a username. So you have to give your username. Followed by your username, please give your last 4 digits of your mobile phone number. For example, my username is Guna8990, the last 4 digits of my phone number. So like that you can create your own username. That's all. You are ready to participate in the quiz. So in the live video, I will be showing you the question. The question will be followed by 4 options as usual, A, B, C, D. The 4 options will have a color code, right? So option A, red color, option B, blue color, option C, green color, option D, yellow color. So the 4 options will have 4 different color codes. So in your mobile phone, you have installed the Kahoot application, right? So the Kahoot application in your phone, in your device, it will show you 4 colored box, only 4 colored box. Only in the video which you are watching, in that live video, I will give you the question. Followed by that 4 option, I will be giving you. The 4 option will have a color code, right? So if you are going to choose A as the right answer, then A has red color, then in your mobile phone you will have a red colored box, you have to choose that, that's all. If the answer which you have chosen is correct, and if you have chosen that quickly, for every question we will give you 60 seconds. Assume that I am choosing A is the right answer, and I am choosing within 20 seconds, within 10 seconds, based on how quickly I choose the question. I have to choose the correct one, and I have to choose it as early as possible. So the one who is choosing at the earliest will be given more points. So if I am choosing in 20 seconds, I will be given more points. If someone is choosing at 30 seconds, then relatively lesser points, right? So this is how the quiz will work. So at the end of the program, we will show you the leaderboard. Between the questions also, I will show you the leaderboard. At the end, I will show you the final leaderboard. The one with more number of points will be given a certificate, right? The idea of the quiz program is to provide you a real-time experience of solving the questions along with that competitive environment, right? I hope this program adds more value to your preparation. So along with this, we have a daily current affairs hit list series, daily answer rating initiative. So all these initiatives will give you a competitive edge in your 2024 prelims as well as mains, right? I hope this adds more value to your preparation. So see you in the quiz. Till then, bye, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Officers General Quiz. This is Mohana Priya, a faculty at Officers IAS Academy. To all those who are here for the very first time, so this is a initiative which happens on every week. So every Wednesday at 6 p.m. you can participate in this quiz. Okay, so this will be helpful for all those who are preparing for competitive exams. Okay, so I hope you've all followed the instructions on how to join, and if in case anyone is still yet to join, you can use either the pin which is displayed on the screen or the QR code which is there. Okay, so if there are any people who are here for the first time, so here you will have to be very quick in answering. There will be a timer which will be displayed beside every question. So try to be very quick. So the faster you are, the more chances of you being in the top table. Okay. So without any delay, let us start the quiz. So let us have a look at the first question. The Blue Dot network is linked with which among the following? So the options are Anti-Terrorism Framework, Infrastructure Certification, Intelligence Sharing Alliance, Global Minimum Tax. So you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Take your time, but be quick. So the faster you are, the more chances of you being in the top 5. So yes, the time is up. Let us have a look at the answer. The answer to this question is infrastructure certification. See, Blue Dot Network is an initiative which aims at certifying infrastructure based on their quality. Okay, so it is an initiative which recognizes infrastructure, assesses the quality and gives them an international certification, and the benefits of getting an international certification for your infrastructure projects will help the infrastructure projects to draw a lot of investments. Okay, so this is an initiative which aims at giving certification for sustainable infrastructure projects. So here there has been 10 people who have given the right answers, but equal number of students have also given an incorrect answer. So I think you've now got an idea of what Blue Dot Network is. Okay, so now let us have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, so here is the leaderboard. We have Lenny Raj, who is topping the list. Okay, very, very good. Followed by Mani, Karl Marx, Varsha and Monisha. This is just the first question. You still have 14 more questions to go. So anyone can come to the first position. So again, now be ready for the second question. Let us move to the next question. The second question of today's quiz is, the term dark pattern is often seen in the news. It is linked with which of the following? And here are the options. First, blockchain technology, user interface interactions, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. So you must have come across this terminology very frequently in news. So quickly recollect what it is related to and you will be able to arrive at the answer. So come on, last 5 seconds. Okay, yes. Very good. I find 17 students have given the correct answers. The majority of students, you have given the right answer, which is user interface interactions. So let me explain what dark pattern is. See, dark pattern refers to some tricks which are used in these applications and websites to manipulate the users. So for example, when you open a website, sometimes you will see fake countdown timers. It will ask you to order something within this stipulated time to grab a discount. Sometimes when you're trying to purchase something, towards the end, you will find there is an additional fees which is charged. So all these are some tricks which are used by applications to manipulate the users, and it makes this usage of these websites and applications quite difficult and annoying sometimes. So that is the meaning of dark pattern. So now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So there's been a change. So this is what I said. So now money has come to the first position, very good, followed by Karl Marx, and then comes Lenny Raj, Varsha and Monisha. But all these 5 people have retained their top positions, and Deb seems to have been the highest climber. So he has climbed by 3 places, very good. Now all the others, you're still in the race, don't give up. Let's move to the next question. So the third question in today's quiz is, Kankwi Mansor cave is found in which of the following states? The options are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam. You have 15 more seconds. So let us see who's giving the quick answer. So you have to be very quick in such sort of questions because you shouldn't take much time to think when it is a one-liner question. So here we have, there's been small confusion between Meghalaya and Manipur. However, majority of students, 10 students have given the right answer, which is Manipur. So Kankwi Mansor cave, it's a limestone cave which is found in the state of Manipur. This seems to have been used as a place where during the Second World War, where the army men were hiding. So it was used as a hiding spot during the World War II. Okay, so now let's move to the leaderboard. So let us see if there's been any change in the leaderboard. Yes, see, Deb has climbed and he's got the first position, very good. And Mani, Karl Marx, Lenny Raj and Varsha. Okay, good job guys. And Sharmuga Priya, you seem to be the highest climber. So chances of you coming into the top table is very high. Others, again, you still have a lot of time. So let us move to the next question. Question number 4. So for this question alone, you will have 60 seconds. So take time, think and give an answer. Consider the following statements regarding the seismic zones in India. So the Bureau of Indian Standards has grouped the country into 5 seismic zones, zone 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The second statement is, of these, zone 5 is seismically the most active region, while zone 2 is the least. So you have to tell which among the following statements are correct, whether it is only one or the second statement alone, or whether it is both 1 and 2, or whether it is neither 1 nor 2. So think well and answer. So time is up. The answer to this question is B, while many students have given the incorrect answer. So let me explain this question to you all. So seismic zones refer to the regions where there is a high probability of occurrence of earthquake. Okay. The country of India has been divided into 4 seismic zones and it is not 5. Okay, there is no zone called zone 1. The 4 seismic zones are zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 and zone 5. Among these, the zone 5 region is the most seismically active region, meaning this is the zone where there is a high chance of occurrence of earthquakes, whereas zone 2 is the least active region, meaning this is a region which is very safe and there isn't much it hasn't much vulnerability for occurrence of earthquakes. It is less prone to earthquakes. Okay, I think now you have understood about the seismic zones of India. So it is not 5 zones, it is 4. Okay, remember this. Now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So yes, there's a lot of change in the leaderboard. Money has now come to the first position. There are new entries. Shakti Devi and Shanmuga Priya have come into the top 5. Very good. And there's another person, Sai, who's climbed 10 places. Great job, Sai. Now let us move to the next question, the 5th question of today's quiz. The landslide atlas of India is released by which among the following? Okay, so the options are the Geological Survey of India, Indian Space Research Organization, National Center for Earth Science Studies, none of the above. So quick, you have few seconds more. Let us see how many of you are giving the right answers. So right, I find that in this quiz there seems to be a lot of confusion with regard to the options. Okay, fine, let this quiz be a learning experience for all of you. So many people have given incorrect answers. So you might have been little taken away by the landslide concept, that you might have assumed that something related to landslide should be associated with either the Center for Earth Sciences or Geological Survey of India, but that is not the case. Landslide Atlas of India is released by ISRO. Okay, the Indian Space Research Organization only releases the landslide atlas. It is trying to assess the damage caused by landslide across the country, and it is given a report saying which parts of India are more prone to landslides, and it has also suggested what steps can be taken in order to minimize the impacts of landslides. Okay, so it is ISRO, have this in mind. So now let us move to the leaderboard and see who has come into the top 5. So Mani continues to retain his position. Good job. So Shanmuga Priya, yes, doing a great job. So you have an answer streak of 4. Continue to keep your streak. Yes, we have Vasha, Monisha and Deb. Okay, good job guys. Others, you still have many more questions to go. Let us move on to the next question. So the 6th question of today's quiz. Which among the following countries constitute the lithium triangle? Okay, so you have 6 countries which are given. Among this, only 3 countries are a part of this lithium triangle. So you have to choose what are the 3 countries. For this question again, you have 60 seconds time. So think and give the answer. Argentina, Chile, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia. All these are countries from South America. So let us see how many of you get this question right. Okay, so last few seconds. Okay, good job. Many of you have given the right answers. Generally, you can remember this lithium triangle using a mnemonic called ABC. Okay, it is Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. Sometimes you might get confused whether it is Brazil. No, it is not Brazil. It is Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. These are the 3 countries in South America which seems to have been blessed with abundant lithium resources. That is why these 3 countries constitute the lithium triangle of the world. Okay, now let us have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, new entry into the leaderboard. Sampha has entered. Okay, Priya seems to be the highest climber. Good job, Priya. And Mani, you continue to retain your top position. Good job. Now let us move on to the next question, the 7th question of today's quiz. The Sukhapaika river is found in which state? The options are Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal and Karnataka. Okay, so be quick. You have to say in which of the following states this particular river is found. Yes, your time is up, and here we have the, let us see how many of you have got this right. Okay, Very good. Most of you have given the right answer. Yes, Sukapaika river is found in the Odisha state. It is a distributary of Mahanadi river. Okay. So, yes, good job. Many of you have given the right answer. Now, let us have a look at the leaderboard. Very good, Mani. You have a streak of 4 correct answers in a row, and also you continue to retain your position. Very, very good. So, followed by Vasha, Shakti Devi, Monisha, and Sampa. Very good, guys. So, others, you can still try. We have many questions to go. So, let us now move on to the next question, the 8th question of today's quiz. The term great pause was seen in the context of which of the following? The options are international efforts to achieve net zero carbon emissions, reduction in human activities during pandemic induced lockdown, a significant reduction in global sea surface temperatures worldwide, a term to describe the ongoing 6th episode of Mars extinction. Okay, so let us see how many of you have got this question right. Oh, nice, very good. Most of you, 14 of you have given the right answer. Very, very good. So the answer is reduction in human activities during the pandemic induced lockdown. So when there was this COVID-19 lockdown, which had during the time of COVID, when we had a complete lockdown, there was a reduction in the amount of anthropogenic activities because people were all confined to their houses. So this term refers to that particular reduction in human activities. Okay, so now let us have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, so first position is continuing to be retained by Mr. Mani. Okay, followed by Vasha, Monisha, Shakti Devi, and Sampa. 3 players have hit an answer streak of 4. Good job, guys. Try to retain your answer streak. Let's move to the next question, which is the 9th question of today's quiz. On which date the India's Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag of India? Is it on 26 January 1947, 26 November 1947, 22nd July of 1947, or 26 January of 1950? Yes, so think. If you recollect, you will be able to get the answer. You can eliminate actually and you can arrive at an answer. So let us see how many of you have got this question right. Okay, so there seems to have been a confusion between 22nd July and 26th January of 1950. So 26th January of 1950 is the date when our constitution entered into force. It was enforced. So 22nd July 1947 is the day in which the national flag of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. Okay, so Pingali Venkaya was the person who designed our Indian national flag. So remember this, it is 22nd July of 1947. Okay, so now let us have a look at the leaderboard. No change in the first position. It is Mr. Mani who is continuing to retain his position, followed by Varsha, Shakti Devi, Sampa, and Deb. Okay, so Ranjit, you have become the highest climber, so you've increased your spot by 3 places. Good job. So let us now move on to the next question, the 10th question of today's quiz. Mazagon Dock Shipyard is located in which of the following places? So is it Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Kolkata, or Kochi? So this is a shipyard which is very, very famous for the construction of huge ships, be it warships, be it the ships which support Indian Navy. All this construction happens here. So it's one of the prominent shipyards, and here we have the answers. So here again a lot of confusion between Visakhapatnam, Mumbai and Kolkata. So many of you have opted these places, but the right answer is Mumbai. Okay, so this particular shipyard is located in Mumbai. So let us have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, so Mani is continuing to retain his first position. Good job, Mani, followed by Sampa, Deb, Shanmugapriya and Varsha. So Shanmugapriya is back with an answer streak of 3. Good job. So let us now move on to the next question, the 11th question of today's quiz. Name the 4 animals found in the Pasupati Shield found in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so here you have the options: lion, tiger, hippopotamus, elephant, or whether it is rhinoceros, bull, horse, tiger, lion, deer, buffalo, cat, and the last option is elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, and buffalo. Okay, it's a very famous seal which is acting like a symbol for our Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so very good. Most of you have given the right answer. So the 4 animals which are found in the very famous Pasupati shield is the elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, and buffalo. Okay, good job guys. Now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So no change in the first position, and it is followed, Mani is being followed by Shampa, Deb, Shanmuga, Priya, Shakti Devi. So Shikha, there's a new person who has hit an answer streak of 3. Good job Shikha. So now let us move to the 12th question of today's quiz. The Bonn Convention is related to which of the following? Okay, so the options are UN Convention on Biological Diversity, Convention on Migratory Species, UN Convention to Combat Desertification, and Worldwide Fund for Nature. So this convention is related to which of the following? Okay, so last few seconds. Now let us see how many of you have given the right answer. Very good. Here again, most of you have given the right answer. The answer is Convention on Migratory Species. The Bonn Convention is also known as the Convention on Migratory Species. It was signed in the year 1979. So this convention aims at the protection of the migratory species. Okay. So now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So the top 5 people at this moment are Mani, Shampa, Shanmugapriya, Deb, and Shakti Devi. So here we have again a new person, Anant, who is having an answer streak of 3. Good job Anant. And Mani, keep doing this good work. So you are retaining your position for a very long time. Now let's move on to the next question. The 13th question in today's quiz. Pantanal wetlands, the world's largest tropical wetland, is situated in which of the following continents? Whether it is Australia, North America, South America, or Africa. So these are the 4 options. So this wetland is the largest tropical wetland in the world. Okay. Yes, now let us see how many of you have given the right answers. Good job here again. Many people, 11 people have given the right answer. It is South America. So Pantanal wetlands are situated in South America. Okay, so they were in news because they were being destroyed and they were undergoing destructions because of frequent forest fires occurring in that particular region. Okay, so now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So not much change. The same 5 people have retained their positions. So it is Mani, Samba, Shanmugapriya, Deb, Shakti Devi. So 3 players have reached an answer streak of 3. Very good. Now let us move on to the 14th question in today's quiz. Snow blindness, a medical condition, is primarily caused by which of the following factors? Okay, so the options are photochemical smog, ozone depletion, water pollution, and acid rain. So you have to think and answer for this question. It can be tricky. Let us see how many of you get this right. Okay, so as expected, as I was telling, this is a tricky question. Most of you have given the wrong answer. It is not photochemical smog. So this snow blindness is a medical condition which is caused due to the exposure to UVB rays. Okay, we have the ultraviolet radiation and there are 3 types of UV rays: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVB is one dangerous kind of UV radiation, and when your eyes get exposed to this UV radiation, there are high chances of this medical condition called snow blindness to occur. Okay, so now you have to think what can be the reason for your exposure to UVB. So this can happen only when there is ozone layer depletion, because it is this ozone layer which acts like a shield protecting the earth from the harmful UV radiations from the sun. When there is going to be more amount of ozone layer depletions, there is high chances of this UV radiations reaching the earth's surface. So since UVB is the cause of slow blindness, what allows the UVB to reach the earth? It is the ozone layer depletion. That is why B is the answer. Okay, I hope you've got a clarity on this. So now let us check the leaderboard. Okay, finally there is a change in the first position. Sampa has now come to the first position, pushing money behind. Okay, followed by Shanmugapriya, Deb and Shakti Devi. So Shampa, very good. You seem to have the answer streak of 10 in a row, which is a very good thing. Good job. Now let us move on to the last and final question of today's quiz. Which among the following is the hottest planet in the solar system? The options are Mercury, Venus, Mars and Jupiter. Okay, so you have to tell which is the hottest planet which is found in our solar system. So be quick. This might be the decider question for the people who are in the top, who will be in the top 3. Okay, so very good. Most of you have given the right answer. The answer is Venus. So though Mercury is very close to the sun, it is still Venus which is the hottest planet, because Venus has a very thick layer of atmosphere which is composed of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is the most abundant gas which is found in Venus, and it traps a lot of insolation, and that is why Venus becomes the hottest planet of the solar system. Okay, so now let us have a look at the leaderboard. So we're going to see who are the people in top 3. Okay, Shanmugapriya, good job. You're in the 3rd position. Sampa is in the 2nd position, and the 1st position goes to Mani. Congratulations to all these 3 winners, and remaining students who also participated. You have also done a good job. So I hope this quiz, all the questions gave you some insights, and in case you had given the wrong answers, I think you've learnt something new. So all these 3 winners, you kindly take a screenshot of your like a screenshot and send it to this number which is displayed on the screen, so that you can collect your e-certificates. So please do participate in this weekly quiz which happens on every Wednesday 6 p.m. So you get to know and learn a lot of things, and it will be definitely useful for your preparation. Okay, so great job, good job guys. Have a great day. So see you all in another episode. Thank you so much.